If you have been trading Forex and you keep losing, it's probably not your strategy, it's your mindset. In this video, I will show you the 3 hidden psychological traps that makes beginners lose again and again and how you can fix them today. Watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video as I'll be showing you the hidden truth that many forex traders will not want you to know. But I'm telling you here for free. For free. My name is Mr. Joshua and I'm here to help traders trade the smart way. If you have not subscribed to this channel before we move on, kindly click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so I'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. And also go to the comment section and comment. Tell me what you have learned and how you are going to implement it from this video. Let's move to what we have for today. Now, the real reason most forex beginner lose money in forex trading is because of these 3 major things. The first is the emotional cycle of a believer. A emotional cycle of a beginner. Now, every beginner has what we call emotional cycle. What I mean by emotional cycle is moment of joy and moment of grief. Now, when you lose a trade, you feel you have lost everything. And when you win few trades, you feel like you are now a pro. You now try to over trade. That is the cycle of a beginner. Every beginner has this temptation. Now, this emotional um, issue has killed most traders before they ever get into becoming consistent in making profit in the forex market. Emotions has to do with our bias of our profit and our loss. Now, for example, if you make profit, what do you do? Will you overtrade? Will you be excited and overtrade, or will you be confused in the market? Or when you lose, will you commit suicide, or will you shut down forex forever? Now, this is the game changer. When you lose, you look for the possible way not to lose in that particular method again. That's how to um, stay far from losing as regards emotional cycle of a beginner. You need to trust your strategy and also work on your emotions. Work on your emotions. It is said that if you are happy, you don't talk. When you are sad, you don't talk. Why? Because emotions comes with excitement, and this excite us, and we begin to speak things that either will bring profit or will bring loss to us. Now, that is emotional cycle of a beginner. The second is the overconfidence after wins. Most traders are overconfident. One winning trade does not make you a pro. One winning trade does not make you a professional. It does not make you an expert. It does not make you a master. Then when greed sneak in, you begin to witness losses. Because the moment you begin to feel as if you're a professional, you begin to have greed. And greed will definitely bring you down. Greed will always bring traders down because of over trading. Now you need to learn to treat every trade the same, whether you lose or you gain. You treat every trade word the same, whether it is a loss or it is a gain. Make sure if you are excited, keep being excited. If you are not excited, stay the way you are. Don't allow the trade or the either the profit or the loss to determine who you are. Don't allow that to happen. And the last thing is revenge trading. Now, most times people usually counter trend because of revenge trading. You don't have to revenge trade. You don't have to do revenge trading, because revenge trading will definitely lead you to a loss. Now, after a loss, many traders jump back into into the chart or into the particular pair in order to win it back. That's not how forex is. Now, when you try that, you are going to end up blowing your account. The market does not owe you. The market always follow the rule of the market makers. It only follow the rules of the market maker. It does not follow your own rule. That is just the truth about it. So you just have to be careful, and you just have to follow it the way it is and not do any revenge trading. That's counter trend trading. Now, I want us to understand that patience and discipline also go a long way. Discipline is actually a skill. Wait for your setup, even if it means one day to trade. You what? Wait for your setup. Don't be in a haste in order for you to begin to trade, and then you are not seeing setup. You need to wait, hold on, and see a clear setup, a perfect setup, before you can start entering the market. So patience and discipline is actually one of the key. And the third is mindset shifts. Mindset shift. Now you need to start thinking like an investor, not a gambler. Think like an investor, not like a gambler. Start consistent win. Then you begin to do random what? Random big trade. From consistent win, small consistent win, to random big trade. Now, I want us to understand something, that it is easy to lose money when you don't follow these three important strategy and direction. So if you want to stay long in the forex market, you have to follow these particular things that I just share with you. If this open your eyes, drop a comment in the comment section. Do well to like and subscribe, and I will show you how to apply this mindset to real chart setup in the next video. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.